some boost control problems with our BA turbo ute here. It was still running the factory actuator cam, so we've put a variable rate actuator on there. Now we've tested it, it cracks off the gate at 14, and we had full stroke at around 25 psi boost pressure. Now when we go look at 100% duty cycle on the dyno, it's gone from running 17 psi to 24.5 psi, and I've just got off the throttle there. And we'll start dialing in the wastegate curve now to actually see if we can get some boost control with the new wastegate. We are aiming for about 25 psi total boost pressure, as the BTR transmission probably won't handle much more than that. So we've just about finished the tune now. We're running 23.5 psi, and we're actually maxing the 1000cc fuel injectors with the Pierberg pump. Now, we reckon the trans is taking a fair bit of the power away. We've made 600 horsepower, which is thereabouts the goal. We've picked up close to 80 kilowatts from the last tune when it ran 19, and close to 200 newton meters on the converter with 100 newton meters in the top end. Pretty much maxing the fuel system conservatively at around 11.5 to 1 on ethanol. So we'll get it off the dyno now, go for a road test, and then we'll take it to the track and see what it does. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.